Do push-ups every day, and your body will start changing fast. First, your upper body gets stronger. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your upper back. Second, your core tightens up. The proper push-up is like a moving plank. It works your abs, obliques, and lower back. Third, it improves posture. Strengthening those muscles pulls your shoulders back and keeps your spine aligned. Fourth, your heart gets a boost. Push-ups engage large muscle groups, increasing heart rate and improving circulation. And they build endurance and mental grit. Doing them daily can boost your discipline, confidence, and physical resilience. No equipment, no excuses, just results. How many push-ups can you do in a row? Start today, and let me know your number in the comments.